Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to get up to perform the prayer, first he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would pronounce takbir, while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would be in standing posture. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would pronounce takbir while bowing down. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter would pronounce Sami Allahu liman hamida. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu listened to him who extolled him, while raising his back up after bowing. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would stand erect, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, Rabbana walakal hamd, our Lord, and to you is all praise. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would then utter takbir while getting down to perform the prostration. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would pronounce takbir while raising his head from prostration. Then again he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would pronounce takbir while prostrating himself, and then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would utter takbir while raising his head from prostration. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would do so in all units until the prayer would get completed. After 2 units, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had performed the tashahhud, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would get up pronouncing Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu used to say, my mode of performing the prayer resembles that of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam more than that of any one of you. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 866.